Today's video, I'll share you an updater feedback. After 1 month this of Smart UNLI data 599 with Magic Data 99. Here you'll see 1. Ilan ang nabawas sa Magic 99 after 30 days. 2. Kumusta ang connection. 3. Ilang devices ang connected. 4. May dapat kang malaman. 5. Alin ang mas okay gamitin. We use Smart Rocket SIM here. You must insert first your Smart Rocket SIM on your phone and register it on UNLI app when you want to use it on modem routers. Every time you load your SIM you can get a reward and redeem it, but do not redeem it when you have existing UNLI Pro because it might affects the connection. As you can see on this illustration, after 30 days use of Magic Data, from 2 GB it became 1.96 GB. By the way, UNLI Data 599 as stated on UNLI app, it's for personal use only. We just try to share its connection on many devices, so we inserted it on modem Huawei B315S936. But on some modem routers, Smart UNLI Data 599 does not work alone, so you should partner it with Magic Data 99 or change your modem router's IMEI. Next time you buy Smart UNLI Data 599 you can use your remaining Magic 99, until it's gone you have to buy again. I tried talk and text UNLI Data 299 on my piso Wi-Fi vendo machine but the internet is not good when 4 to 5 devices are connected it became slow and often disconnected. But when I use Smart UNLI Data 599 the internet is good. I don't expect 12 to 20 to device have connected to my piso Wi-Fi. Smart UNLI FAM 999 is also good but it's expensive. Stay tuned for next video. How to make your own audio spectrum on Android.